Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a little haul video and an unboxing of my Fancy Plans Co. Quarterly subscription. But first, I picked up a couple things on Amazon Prime. This is just a callus remover for your feet. And it takes batteries, it just goes around. It's actually really great, but don't do it too much that it makes your foot sore. That is for sure. And then I picked up this. This is the Hobonichi Techo 2023 original, and it is an A6 size. It's a little bit bigger than pocket size. So I think I'm going to use it for just to stick in my purse, my on-the-go planner. I've been using the personal rings, which I like, and it sits on my desk really nicely, but I thought I would try this and just see how I like it, because it will stick into my purse so wonderfully, and it lays flat. It's a great thing to try, and we'll see how I like it. But for on the go, I think it's going to be really good. So you get your monthlies, and then you get your days. It's a daily planner. I don't know which month is. I think 7 means it's July. Yeah, that's what it means. So I'm going to have to put some tabs on the side, and we'll see how this goes, but I'm going to try it. So watch for a plan with me. That will be coming up. And then I got my Fancy Plans Co. stationery box. This is a quarterly subscription. Let me pull out all the things. Generous subscription box. So let me move this over here out of the way so I can show you everything. And then maybe get the little tour card out. It says June 2023. You get some productivity tips, and then a journaling card or a planner card. Current vibe, working for the lifestyle I promised myself. And then you get a journaling card. This is the second box. Self-doubt is the anchor that keeps us from sailing. And then you get all of what's included in your box. So the first thing is a monthly calendar. Let me find that. Monthly calendar. Oh, here it is. It says monthly calendar on it. And it is punched for a rings or discs, and so you get your monthly. You can use it for whatever month you would like. And then the next page is a weekly and daily. You get each day, and you get 3, 4, 5 weeks of that. And then on the very back, you get a notes page. So that is nice. And I probably won't use this. I'm just not a weekly and monthly person. I'm more of a daily person. So this will probably go in my giveaway, which is coming up soon. I've got so many stickers, planner stickers, and different things. I think I'll crafty one, and then also a planner one. Okay, next we get a glass tumbler, and if she was able to send this without it getting broken, then she is good. Because I've seen this tumbler and it's very fragile. There's the little seal. There is your tumbler. And then here is your top. I really like this. I like it for iced coffee. I have one that's just a little bit smaller. I like this bigger size, I think. I think it's bigger than the other one. So you put, maybe you put this up around here. There you go. And then this goes on here. Ooh, that doesn't seal very good. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. And then you have a glass straw. And she's doing well, because if Keto was able to ship this without anything getting broken, kudos to her. Maybe that's why she shipped to UPS, so that everything would not get thrown around. I don't know about the seal though. It doesn't seem to be tight. So we'll set that up there, and then we get a coiled notebook, which looks like this. You get a beach scene, and then plenty of pages, which mine are kind of coming out. Let's see if we can get these back in here. Yeah, I'll have to work on that. So we'll have to see about that. So we get a notebook, and then we get a Sharpie S-Gel pen in blue and 0.7 millimeters. Looks like that. I love a Sharpie S-Gel. They're nice. And then we get a planner cover set, which is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the same size as the one I have. So now I have a couple of covers to use on mine, or I can use them as dividers as well. And then we have the discs. You also, when you get the box, your subscription box, you also get access to the printable items from this collection. I don't know if there's, I don't think there's something we have to take off. Super cute. I use a mini. That's what size this is a mini. But I use it as my little catch-all for all of like my bills and different things like that. Okay, so we get this, and then we get a washi tape set. And everything is so slick. So here is the washi tapes. You get Sunday through Saturday. Super fun. You always have the days of the week. And then we get a vellum page finder, which is this. just whatever section you put it in. You can just grab it from the top and open it to that section. And then we get sticky notes set. So here are the sticky notes. You get lined, plain, and then the grid. And then, of course, we got the planner discs. Then we also got a pen holder, elastic pen holder, which can go across the front of your, and actually, see, it matches really well with the discs. That looks good, real good, except I have it on upside down. So there is that. And then planner disc, a vellum dashboard, which is here. If it doesn't open, it's not your door. Isn't that the truth? And I love her vellum. It is super thick and nice. There is that, and then we get some sticker sheets. You get some deco. This one is called Nautical Summer, and then you get all the boxes. So just a simple set of stickers. Maybe I'll use these for the first time in my little Hobonichi. And then we get, wait a minute. Weekly note. Oh, here. I didn't show you the weekly notepad, which I really like. You can either punch these, because they would almost fit. You just cut a little bit off the bottom. But these are really nice. But I can write down and just stick it on my desk of what I have coming up that week, or I can use these for meals. Ooh, meals, that's a good idea. Meal planning, right there. And then lastly, we have a PVC tote bag. Super cute. It's a large tote bag, and I like it that it's clear. Super cute. Has a little button, super big. So that is Fancy Plans Co.'s June subscription box. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And be watching for my Plan With Me with the Hobonichi, Techo, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.